All right, everybody. This is day 2 of the train derailment down in Collegedale, Tennessee. This is the day after it derailed. I am flying the drone over the crash site, the derailment site, and just for you guys to notice as I'm coming in here, if you look on the tracks out there, they're still not complete with the tracks. They're finishing the tracks up right now. They're still repairing. They're finishing the repairing parts of the track right now. It's not long after this drone shot, the first train actually comes through from the derailment. All right, now at this point right here, while I was doing the drone video, I did not notice the third engine. All I seen was the 2 engines and the cars. That's it. A little bit later on in the day, I actually realized the third engine, or the first engine, was up there, the farthest engine away. But just getting an overhead view of what it looks like, which I'm sure millions of people's already seen this, but I did get us this drone video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you hadn't. That would be greatly appreciated. We got paper rolls all over the place from the box cars. That was in the box cars was the paper rolls. And I didn't realize when I first seen the telephone poles there that they had come off of those cars right there. And I'm sure they was, pretty well scooted across the road, but there's no telling how many actually went across the road. They are cleaning up. I think it's just like where the culvert busted and stuff like that. And also they're cleaning up right there where the fluids went into the little creek. And that, I'm guessing, is part of that concrete wall that the train hit, is what I'm thinking. See, I didn't realize that to start with. Man, look at all them wheels, paper rolls, messed up boxcar. They did have some spillage into the creek there. They was working hard at getting that cleaned up as well. See, there's some more of the concrete wall. And I guess that's what a lot of that is the concrete wall that just got busted up. There's the front axles off of the front engine there. They ripped completely out from under it. Now I'm going to get you guys a closer view of the engine. And I do terribly regret doing this. And you'll see why here in just a few minutes. Very up close and personal look. And this one was all fine and good, but I'll give you guys a side view right here in just a second. And mistake. You guys will get to see it here in just a second. I do know this. Rest in peace, DJI. Rest in peace.